Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be doing a little different type of video. We're not going to do a recipe, but we are going to do a challenge.
Woohoo!
So Sarah has joined me today to do a yogurt drink challenge.
Yeah, I think that's what they are.
So we picked up 10 of these. It says, let's see, in English, it says it's a yogurt drink.
Yep.
And the brand is Cimory, maybe? Cimory.
Where is it from? Do you know?
I don't know.
Oh, well, it has
says
Indonesian flags
Indonesian
on the top,
flags.
so Indonesia, I guess.
Probably from Indonesia. So, Sarah, have you ever tried these before?
I think I've tried the strawberry one.
Yeah,
Couple times.
I think I have too. Other than that, I haven't tried any of the flavors. So we went to the store and we picked up all the flavors that they had, and we're gonna do a blindfold test.
A blind taste test.
A blind taste test. So I've got my fancy blindfold that I got off the airplane.
And I've got my bandana.
Sarah's got a cooler blindfold. All right, so let's get this challenge started.
All right, ready?
Okay, let's get our blindfolds on.
Alrighty.
We're going in. All right, I'll choose first.
Okay.
Let's see. So here's the flavor. Let's open it up. Sarah, can you grab a glass?
Maybe. Yep, I got it.
Okay, I'll pour yours first.
No, don't pour mine. Okay. Okay, don't spill it on my face.
I think it's going in. Ooh. Hold on, I feel like I should put the lid back on this.
Do we get to smell
Are
it?
you gonna smell it?
Let's try.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh, this smells good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow, that's so good.
This is nice.
Okay, are you ready to guess? Wow. I have a guess.
Okay.
I think if we could see the color, we would know a
Yeah.
lot better.
Okay, you want to say it together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not sure.
3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
Lychee.
Grape.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Let's open. Can we open our blindfold?
Can we look now?
Can we look now?
Okay.
What was it?
I was so off.
This is way harder than I thought it was
Wow,
gonna be.
because we
Mango.
can't see the color.
But it tasted.
You said lychee,
Yeah,
I said
grape.
mixed. Oh, I said grape.
You said grape.
Wow, we were really wrong.
That's really good. Okay, I like the mango. guys.
0-0.
Dig
Oh,
down
I
in
feel
here.
like an avalanche is
All right.
happening right here. Don't pour it on me. I'm pretty sure that's enough.
Okay.
My cup feels really heavy.
Okay, ready?
Ready? Are you gonna smell it?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's weird.
Ready?
Okay. Wow. This one tastes
really
a
good.
lot different than the mango. Okay, I have a guess.
I like this one.
Are you ready? Over there? You ready?
Hang on. This one tastes really good. Ready?
Yeah.
1,
3, 2,
2,
3.
1.
3, 2, 1.
Strawberry.
Lychee.
What?
What is it?
Like mixed
fruit. Oh,
I
man.
didn't know there was a mixed one.
We're so wrong. All right, I'll just choose this one that's on top. Okay, did you already smell it? Ooh, wow, that's different.
Oh, I
Okay.
think I have a guess.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have a guess.
I had like barely anything in my glass. There was like hardly anything in here. I don't even know. Okay, I'm ready to guess.
Okay,
3, 2, 1.
1, plain.
Lychee.
I guess a plain.
Oh, plain.
Was I right? Oh, you were right.
Oh, I got one!
Nice.
Lychee.
Okay, I can taste
Yay!
it. Yeah, it was kind of lychee.
All right, we're ready. Are you sure you gave me any?
I think so. Okay, ready?
Okay. Woo, wow.
Ooh, this one smells good. I like this one. Ooh, I have a guess. I have totally a guess, and I think I'm right.
I only
Oh,
had
wait.
2 sips in here again.
Really? Sorry.
There's like barely anything.
Oh man, I am 100% sure on this.
Okay, I have a guess too then. Tastes a little bit like medicine.
Exactly. Ready?
Yeah.
1,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Grape.
Blueberry.
What?
Okay, this was my first guess. Actually, I was thinking blueberry, and I changed it to grape because of the medicine-y flavor.
Yeah, it tastes a little medicine-y. Let's go for this one. That feels full.
It smells kind of rotten.
Okay, let's taste it. Well,
Taste is better than the smell.
yeah. It doesn't taste
Wow.
very fruity. 3, 2, 1, plain.
Hey, I guess plain
Were
too.
we right?
Nope, strawberry.
This was it? Strawberry.
And I said it smelled rotten.
I know.
Wow.
And this is the one that we've both had before. All right, Sarah, you get to choose this time.
Oh, 8. Okay.
Oh
No! No, it's cold.
Is there any
Okay.
in my glass?
I don't know. I guess I misjudged the direction it was pointing.
I put it over your lap just in case.
Where is it? Where's your glass?
You're in my hand.
Why does it keep spilling?
Okay.
Why can't I get
I don't
this?
know. That's enough.
This is really sad.
That's enough. I think there's more on your lap than there is in my cup. There's like not much in here. Wow, I have no idea.
1, 2, 3. Pineapple.
I have no idea.
Oh, passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Oh, Sarah.
But it was over your cup. Like,
I don't think so.
I had it. Like, it was like that.
Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
You ready?
Are you tasting it?
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing in here. Are you tricking me? Is this the one I poured in?
Yes.
There's nothing in here.
There's a few drops. Oh, Mom.
Do you have any left in yours?
Yeah. Here you
Can
go.
I just drink some of yours?
I don't like this one.
Okay.
That one doesn't
I have
taste
a
good.
guess.
3, 2, 1.
plain. Yeah, we got it. We got it.
1, 2
Woo,
points.
woo, woo. So I didn't have like anything in my cup. Wow, this one has.
Oh, this is bottom.
Are you trying to pour in your upside down?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, I have to wait for you. I have a guess, but I don't know that they make this flavor. 3, 2, 1.
Banana.
Banana. Yeah, that's what I was gonna guess too.
Oh, mixed berry. Great. So vague.
Banana's not even a berry.
Yeah.
2 flavors left. Are you ready?
Ready.
Blindfold on. Okay. Okay. Do you have a cup?
Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
Okay.
Ah!
What happened?
Don't tickle me.
Okay, it's right in front of you, I think.
Got it.
Cup.
Oh, wow. This is,
Wait
I
for
know what
me.
it is. I know what
Wait
it is.
for
Okay,
me.
just.
Oh, I know exactly what this is just by the smell of it.
Yeah, I know. Me too.
I'm gonna get this one. Come on, Sarah. Just smell it and
No, I know.
think of Papua.
Papua, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yawas.
Jambu.
Or yawas.
Jambu.
Yeah, let me see. Where is it?
Jambu. Yeah! Woohoo!
Yeah, I know,
Guava. Well, we
yeah,
should have said guava because guava's English. Okay, we've got one left. This totally smells like
this is
medicine.
So bad.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't even need to taste it. Ready?
Yeah, we know this for sure.
All right, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, great.
Great. Yeah, for sure.
Gross.
This smells just like grape cough syrup. Yeah. It wouldn't be my favorite.
No. So what was your favorite?
My favorite one?
Yeah.
I don't know. We've had so many, I forget.
Yeah,
Mango
blueberry
was
tastes kinda like
super
grape.
good, and strawberry was good. Although strawberry we thought was plain.
Yeah.
What was the score?
So the score was Sarah got 2 points, 2
Oh,
out of 10,
Ooh, good job.
Thanks.
2 out of 10.
and Mom got 3 out of 10.
Woohoo!
Okay.
So I was the winner.
We
A
didn't,
big
we didn't
3.
do very well on this.
If you guys have tried any of these flavors, let us know in the comments below which one is your favorite. Or your favorite might be one that we don't have here.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if this is all the flavors of their yogurt drinks or not. So if you have a favorite, let us know in the comments.
Thanks, Sarah.
Welcome. Thanks for coming. Sarah has a YouTube channel too. We'll link
Yeah.
her YouTube channel up
Check
in
it
the
out.
corner of the video. Thanks for coming and playing with us.
You're welcome.
She came all the way from her bedroom. We hope you guys have a great day and keep smiling.